happy Sabbath. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Pastor the Explorer. So karon po listen do Tagalog alihalo. Karon nami kuwaon nga visitor taga Nepal. Taga Nepal di ay Nepali naman noon. So ganahan sila mo appeal og worship karong adlaw nga Sabado. So nagpaabot mi karon sa ila gani ang ilang balay. So mag-ilis pa, duha ni sila bagong abot dire sa Kiman Island. So akong gipang invite sila nga mosimba sa adlaw nga balaan. So atong paabot. Our friend Nepali.
Yeah, from Nepal.
How to say good morning?
Subha Parvat.
Subha Parvat. I had a friend trying to say hi in the Philippines. Okay. So natay bisita do kanit pala nasa luyo.
Physical or may it be mental abuse, it does not define us who we are, because we are defined in Christ. If you are bullied, don't stick for being bullied, especially school age people, because it doesn't define you. It's just a way of the enemy to get you discouraged and not go on to your life.
Tapos na po yung worship natin, so kakain na tayo. That's the life of church after service, eating.